Hi there, hope you're doing well. The work is complete, and this is the dashboard that I'm going to give you. So let me give you a demo of how the dashboard works and everything, and we can proceed further from there. To start with the data sheet, what I've done is, like as I mentioned earlier, like I have combined all the data that you have given me one below the other. You can see there is a dark line which comes in with the data, so that's like there, and of course this gets changed because that's your year, and all the other information have been updated respectively. Okay, so when you have like new data, all that you need to do is like go ahead and add the data at the bottom, and you can proceed with it. One thing also to note is in 2021, since it's like in the future, I have put everything by default as no, because if you leave that blank, which eventually means that it'll show up like another category in the dashboard, because everything that you see in the dashboard is like based on the data that we have here. So I've just put that as no. In case you have mentioned that as 2001 is like kind of incorrect, and you wanted to change that to 2020, you may do so. Just try changing this the entire column that you have here with to 2020, and then go to the dashboard and refresh it. So that is how it is with respect to the dashboard itself. So let me give you an overview of it. So anything that you do as usual, when you change it, just go ahead and kind of refresh the dashboard. So every single information that you see here will automatically get kind of updated. So that's here. So to start with, so this one gives you the score of year on year on male and female. So that is what that is. And here you have score wise race, wise score, how much each race is scored. And this one scores a year on year score totally, which means that male and female put together. So that's your information. This gives you only the military information here, and you have a split up between a military and a non-military here, and then the overall of total between here and here, and the residencies, resident and non-resident information is right here, and one below that, all these tables in the here kind of feed all these charts and everything. So that's pretty much how it is. The race split up between a military experience and non-military experience. So that is right here. And then your gender count with respect to the military count, how much is in military and how much is male and female. That particular information is right here. And then when you scroll down, you have a place for the comments. You can put some comments if as you wish you please. And this shows you like overall score of top 20 scores right here. And then this one shows out the the higher with respect to the race wise and year on year gender wise. So that's right here. Now all of these are kind of a dynamic dashboard. So I have your slices at the sides, where let's say you want to go ahead and see for a specific year. You may choose to do so by clicking on a specific year, and the charts will show up for that particular year. But please note, some of the charts, like for this one, you can see that it's a dot, and it is showing up, but it's kind of, if you hover over it, it'll give you the values and everything. So the chart what you see and the slices what you select makes a big difference on how the chart will look. So that's the thing. So for example, let's say you want to see only a military person count and score, you can click on that and see what are the respective information that you have. So when you remove it, obviously it will restore to the original information. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and see resident again, so that information is right here as well, and then your ranking here as well. So let me know if there are any other things that I need to include. Kindly keep the changes to minimum if there was any at all. Good day, and we'll if you everything's